Dear students, so I hope that basic shapes and solid shapes are clear to you after doing that activities and understanding about all these. Now you have completed that much. After completing solid shape, now today what we have to do is, today we will do some question answer. Okay, that is answer in one word. It is based on solid shapes. Okay, so I will ask questions, you have to answer it and then you have to note it down in your notebook also. Alright, आपको अपने कॉपी में भी लिखना है. And today we will be doing book work also. So you need today your book, your notebook, your colors, your pencil, eraser and scale. Okay, so first of all take out all the things, keep all the materials with you and let's start the class. Alright, so now I am going to ask you the questions. So I am going to show you the PPT. Alright, now you can see the screen over here. Now the heading is answer in one word, that you need to write down in your notebook and mention classwork. Alright, and mention classwork, and you have to mention today's date also. Alright, so put the date also. Okay, write down the today's date. Okay, in the corner you need to write the date also, like this. Your date, heading is answer in one word and classwork. After that the first question is a solid which has three faces. किसके तीन faces होते हैं, मैंने पढ़ाया है ना. So किसके तीन face होते हैं याद करो. We have studied cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere. Now think, what is the correct answer? A solid which has three faces. किसके three face होते हैं? Just remember, recall it. Now, yes, I know that you all know it. So now I will be drawing the shape and I will be writing the answer. So just recall it. Okay. Now three faces, 1, 2 and 3 faces किसके होते हैं? Cylinder. Yes, that is cylinder. देखो, I'm making it. एक होता है plane, दूसरा curve and third one is also curve. ठीक है, plane part and curve part. So the answer is cylinder. A solid which has three faces, that is cylinder. Now we have the next question. Alright, so we will be doing the next question. So I am erasing it so that it's not of use. You don't have to draw it in your notebook. इसको कभी भी draw नहीं करना है. You have to just learn it. A solid which has one face. A solid which has one face. किसका one face होता है? सिर्फ और सिर्फ one face. Yes, think. Only one face किसका होता है? जो ball जैसा दिखता है. Yes, that's a sphere. It looks like a ball. So the answer is sphere. S-P-H-E-E-R-E, sphere. You need to learn the spellings and then we will be having the next question, right? Now next question we have a solid which has one edge. One edge means यहाँ पे हम एक लाइन की बात करते हैं. ठीक है, कोन में क्या दिखता है हमें? एक लाइन जैसा दिखता है but it's a 3D shape. So a solid which has one edge. So now I'm drawing it. So you can visualize कि आप कौन सा correct answer है. Yes, the correct answer is cone. इसमें क्या होता है? एक edge. So now you have to note it down in your notebook. Alright. Now we will be doing, see, I am drawing so that you can visualize. And no need to draw in your notebook. If you want, आप छोटा सा roughly draw कर सकते हो. It's not use, okay? And you have to learn it by heart. This is your today's homework, to learn all the answer in one word. So now you have the next page. Question D. A solid which has two edges. किसके दो edges होते हैं, right? Now cone के कितने होते हैं? 1. So 2 edges किसके होंगे? Yes, that's a, yes, I'm drawing it. It's a cylinder. Cylinder के दो edge होते हैं, right? So now answer is cylinder. You have to learn the spelling also. I'm drawing it. Okay, now the answer is cylinder. Learn it. कोन का देखो मैं बना रही हूँ, इट हैज़ ओनली वन एज, इसका वन एज होता है, सिंगल लाइन दिखती है, बट आपके सिलेंडर में डबल लाइन दिखती है. ओके, सो वाई आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू डिफ्रेंशिएट ताकि आप कंफ्यूज ना हो. सो learn the spelling cylinder. Next question we have a solid which has one vertex. Vertex means corner. Vertices means corner. Vertex, vertices and corner, all three words are similar. Corner means ये जो ऊपर top पे दिख रहा है आपको, right? This is corner. So the answer is cone. ये कौन सा shape है? Cone. You all have to learn all these 5 questions and write down in your notebook in a good handwriting. Alright, now book work. Now we will be doing book. Page number 112. Okay, now the question is mark, first question, mark pink dots on the corner of each figure. You know what is corners? Corners पे हमें क्या करने? Pink dots लगाने हैं. ठीक है? So I'm choosing the pink color. Okay, see, I'm choosing the pink color from here and then we will put a dot over here. Okay, mark pink dots on the corners of each figure. यहाँ पे एक पेन बना है, so ये कौन सा corner है? यहाँ पे है. So we have to mark it like this. All of you do in your books, mark the corners like this. Here again, this is one corner, this is also a corner here, and this one here again. So mark all the corners. Alright. In cuboid, how many corners will be there? 8. 1, 2, here 3, and this 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Triangle has how many corners? 3. This cube has how many corners? 8. Cuboid has 8. Okay. So now let's do the next question. The next question is, let me change the ink color. We need to do the matching. Alright. Mark the basic plane shape with the colored face of the solid shape. Triangle. Triangle किस में दिख रहा है हमें colored shape में? This one? Yes. So we will match it with B. Use a scale for matching it. Okay. Next is, here is circle. ये कौन सा shape है? Circle. Circle किस में हमें दिख सकता है? Cone में, right? Now next we have square. Square कहाँ होता है? Cube में, right? Then last cuboid. Match like this. All of you match it. After doing this, we need to do the next page, that is 113. Okay? After doing this, come to page 113. Name the solid shape. You have to name it. What is this shape? It is a bottle of jam. क्या shape होगा इसका? Yes, it is cylindrical shape. So you will write cylinder, right? Cylinder shape है ना? ये देखो ऐसे ही है. यहाँ पे curved है थोड़ा, यहाँ पे curved है. So it's a cylinder shape. And this shows 3-dimensional, ऐसे 3D दिखता है, right? Next, ball. किसी भी चीज की ball या circle है, that is sphere. Write down sphere. All of you write down sphere. Next we have which, ये क्या है? It's a box. ठीक है, ये box है. So ये कौन सा shape है? देखो rectangle दिख रहा है ना हर तरफ से, तो that means it's a cuboid. क्यूब होता तो कौन सा शेप होता? स्क्वायर. जब हर तरफ से रेक्टेंगल है तो इट मीन्स इट्स अ क्यूबॉइड. नाउ सी दिस नेल, इट इज हैविंग विच शेप? यस, कोन की तरह नहीं दिख रहा है, यहाँ पे राउंड एंड देन दिस कर्व, सो यहाँ पे ऐसे पॉइंटेड, सो इट्स अ कोन शेप. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज वी हैव color the faces of the following in 2 different colors of your choice. अब हमें इसको कलर करना है, क्यूब, सिलेंडर एंड कोन. 2 कलर्स चूज करके हमें कलर करना है, राइट? सो यू कैन डू एनी कलर, इट्स योर विश. सो लेट मी डू, आई एम डूइंग इट विथ येलो. and I will choose one more color. I will take 2 colors and I will make it attractive. आप भी अपने मन से कोई भी पेंसिल कलर से कलर कर सकते हो. I am using yellow and one more I will take. Okay, first let me do all the yellow parts. You have to make it attractive by using 2 colors. You can choose any color, it's your wish. Alright. Alright, so now I am doing it. It's totally up to you that how you are using 2 colors. It is of your choice. And I will be sending the PDF, so not to worry about. You have to make it attractive, so just color it. Take pencil colors and start doing with me. Okay, now let's take one more color and let me choose red. I am doing with red now. Yellow and red combination is very nice. You can use yellow and green also, pink and blue, purple and pink, any color, whatever you like. It's totally up to you that how you want to color it. See, I have colored it. Now you also complete your color and try. It should not go outside. जैसे आप कलर करते हो ड्राइंग कॉपी में, वैसे ही सुंदर सा कलर आपको अपने बुक में कंप्लीट करना है, राइट? So do it. See, I have completed 2 drawings, cylinder and cone. Now I am going to do the cube. Okay. The parts which are uncolored, I am going to do that only. Done. Alright. So it's completed. Color the faces of the following in 2 different colors of your choice. It's your wish. You can choose any color. Now match these objects with their appropriate solid shape. Draw on the dotted lines and color. सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना है? इन डॉटेड लाइंस को बनाना है, राइट? सो लेट मी टेक द ब्लैक इंक. सबसे पहले हमें इसको बनाना है. कैसे बनाएंगे? आप अपनी पेंसिल यूज करोगे एंड जस्ट ड्रॉ लाइक दिस. ओके, यू नीड टू ड्रॉ इट. ओके, नाउ लेट मी ड्रॉ इट properly. You have to just draw with the help of pencil. Follow the dots. You can use a scale also wherever there is straight line. Okay, now see, I have joined this. Now we have to join all the shapes like this. All right, see, I am also doing it. You also do right now with me. It's very easy for you all. Just keep your pencil and scale with you and do it. And if you want, you can color it. It's your wish. You can do it with pencil color. Okay, आप अपने pencil color से चाहो तो इसको color कर दो. It's okay. Now lastly, I'm doing cuboid. After that, we need to do the matching part. So almost done. Right. So now this ये क्या है? Wool. Wool का पूरा है बन. So ये wool किस shape का दिख रहा है? Sphere. So we will match it with sphere. नेक्स्ट बुक, योर टेक्स्ट बुक, सी योर मैथ्स बुक, कौन सा शेप दिख रहा है? क्यूब, क्यूबॉइड, कैसा दिख रहा है? क्यूबॉइड. सो यू विल मैच विथ क्यूबॉइड. आइस क्यूब्स, आइस क्यूब्स, वर्ड में क्यूब है, सो आइस क्या है? क्यूब शेप. स्क्वायर होता है, यस, सो मैच इट. नेक्स्ट दिस बॉटल, it is in cylindrical shape. Use scale. And then last your an ice cream, right? So just match it, students. So that was your today's work. You have to note down that answer in one word in your notebooks and do these pages, page number 112 and 113 in your book. And don't worry about the PDF. The PDF is in the document of shapes and pattern chapter in e-learning. Copy down and I will be sending you this PDF as a homework also. You can note it down from there also. So not to worry about. Complete your work each day. And don't get confused in shapes. Cube and cuboid, they looks almost little bit different. So आप गलती से cube की जगह cuboid बना देते हो, cuboid की जगह cube. क्यूब का हमेशा याद रखना है कि दैट इज इन द शेप ऑफ स्क्वायर, स्क्वायर जैसा दिखता है वो. एंड क्यूबॉइड आपका रेक्टेंगल है. सो डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज इन दीज टू, राइट. एंड कॉर्नर्स मीन्स वर्टेक्स, जो एंड पॉइंट्स हैं. एंड edges are the lines, straight lines which I have shown you. Like see, it's your maths book. ये कौन से शेप की है? क्यूबॉइड. See, this is, these lines are what? Edges. ये जो corners की line है. And this is what? Corners, vertex, right? This is vertex. ये जो points है, that is called vertex. You can see here, right? So this is your vertex. Cuboid has how many vertex? 1, 2, 3, 4 this side, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many edges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And faces how many? 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can see your book and you can get how many faces are there, edges are there, how many vertex are there. So don't get confused in edges and vertex and all, right? Complete your work and next day we are going to draw the line segment. हम लोग line segment draw करेंगे. So everybody has to keep their scales with them. All right. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day. Jai Hind, students.